I'm so excited.
Excited for what?
I will make one macaroni and cheese in sushi.
So you're gonna show them how you're gonna make your macaroni and cheese?
Yeah, in my sushi. Velveeta.
We're gonna use the Velveeta. This is the one we're gonna use. So you're gonna show them now. You're gonna add it to the pot. Remember, you're cooking now. Come on, Moya. Come on. Put them in the pot.
It's gonna go in.
Throw it like that. Just pour it.
No, that's okay.
Pour some more.
That's enough.
Put some more.
Pour it. I'll do pasta.
Don't overcook your pasta.
I'll be cooking pasta.
Wow. So you're making it not overcooked?
No. It's actually fun.
Yeah.
It's not pulling me off the arm. It's not pulling me off the arm, Mommy.
Yeah, so you're making the pasta, you're making the Velveeta.
Yeah, I'm making it by myself, but I don't need any help. But I'm good at cooking.
Wow. Who teach you how to cook?
Miss Natalie.
Wow, Miss Natalie must teach you a lot of stuff.
And you too, Mommy.
Me too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see white in it.
You see what?
I see just white in the middle. I see a white in the middle, Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, my hands can see white, but my
And now we're gonna spice it up.
spice up. I don't spice it up.
Why you don't spice it up?
Cause it's
When we say spice it up, we mean cheese. We're gonna put this on it.
Cause my tongue's gonna burn.
We're not gonna put spice in it. Hot sauce. We're gonna put this.
Oh, hot
This-
sauce.
That's what came with the package.
That's delicious.
Yeah, so you're gonna throw off the water now. You gonna do that?
Yeah, I can open it.
Now we're gonna drain the macaroni, right, Mom?
Yeah. Drink this.
What are you doing?
My big cow. Can you do that before?
Yeah.
Fluffy. Cheese in.
Okay.
Rice
Put more.
on it. Put it I'll make it squeeze it in. It's like a jellyfish. Yeah, he's like a jellyfish or something. I'm thinking I'm making like a cake. Oh, yeah. No, come on. I'm gonna take it. Mom, take a yard.
Cheesy.
Cheesy, auntie fun.
Not yet. Stir it.
Can I put more thing in there? I want to taste it. Thank you, Mommy.
Delicious?
Yeah. I'm ready to eat it now.
You can't wait to eat it?
Yeah.
You did a good job.
What did you do a good job?
No, you did it. Not me.
Cheesy, yeah. I call it cheesy.
Cheesy and wet. It's not dry.
Okay, it's not cheesy or wet. But never mind.
Never mind what.
No.
Okay.
Are we done now?
Yeah, we're gonna serve. No, we're gonna add some sachets to it. And then we're gonna serve. Okay.
How you like it, Mommy?
You did a good job. It looks good.
Yeah, mommy, you can't wait to eat it, mommy.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait to taste it.
Mommy,
Put some more.
it's not ready yet.
It's not ready yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, come out. Don't come out. Come out. Come on. Come on.
Okay. So now you're gonna add the sausage to it.
Wait, I'm gonna squeeze out.
No, like that. You're gonna add them because you said you want sausage with it.
Only like that.
Yeah, and you're gonna leave some for me, right? Or are you gonna take all of it?
I'm gonna take all of it.
You're not leaving it for me?
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
I'm done now.
Okay, so that's gonna be yours, and you're gonna taste it. Okay. So you're gonna taste it now.
Yummy.
All right, come on, taste it. Taste it some with the sausages, and you're gonna taste some without the sauce.
Yummy.
You too lie. You not taste it yet. True, and tell me.
Shoo.
You like this one better than this one? You like which one you like better? This one or this one?
This one.
Remember, our mommy make this one, and now we're making. Now you made. Where is it?
I don't know.
Where do the oh? Now we made this one. So
I make
So
both. So we make both of them.
so tell me which one you like better. This one or this one?
This one.
That one? For real?
Yeah, I like both of them.
You like both of them, but you're eating this one now. So taste it again and tell me which one you like better.
Both of them.
Both of them.
Yeah, because there's more over here.
You sure you like that one? Okay, let me taste now and see. I'm gonna have a taste.
So it's mine.
I'm gonna have a taste.
We can share that.
Let's see which one tastes better to me. I like this one better. This one is too salty.
This one too salty?
No, this one. I'm holding this one. This one is too
I
salty.
hold this one too.
This one is too salty and noodly. This one is mild and cheesy.
But I don't taste macaroni and cheese.
This one tastes better to me.
Yeah,
I like this one.
I like this one.
But you like this one?
Yeah. I'm holding I'm gonna use some for you.
Whenever I do this one, I have to add milk, butter. Sometimes I have
And
to
macaroni and
add.
cheese. And hot dogs.
Sometimes I have to add my own little
macaroni
spice
cheese.
to it. With this one, I just made it just like this. Follow the instruction,
Yeah.
and it's perfect.
Yeah.
Just like what you did. Even Moya can make this one the way it's simple, right? Even you make it. You made it. So it's very good.
It's very good, but it is tasty. But I'm using some for you.
Say thank you, Debbie, for recommending this to us.
Mommy. I'm gonna use some for you.
Yeah, thank you for
It's burning me.
it burned you. Oh my God.
It's better now.
Okay. So thank you, Debbie, for recommending this to us for us to try it.
Yeah, bye.
It was really good.
It's really good, Daddy. Thank you.
I'm not a fan of macaroni and cheese, but you guys,
Bye, guys.
I'm telling you, it's good. It's real good.
It's really good.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below. Stay safe with your family. Have fun with your family.
Yeah.
Play games. For the college students, study. And that's it.
Mommy.
And don't forget to wash your hands.
Yeah.
Sanitize if you can. Wash your hands all the time. And stay safe. God bless.